greatest week of my life. Other than that 1 week that I the thing is, so I'm in Cape Town. I'm at Egg Chasers. I told you last week about the Egg Chasers. This is ook from, I don't know, he's from Russia or whatever. I don't know. He had a moer so funny accent. Nobody could understand what he was saying. He gets up to the stage here, like a pub and grab you moer beers and a brandy and cokes. You are sticking by the time this how grabs his microphone. Tivon Servantine was there, Henny Beckers was there, Henny Becker's brother, Willie Becker, Walraad Waltema, die Jan Loof en Vleisversagie was there, Tarke Leroux, Dagga Bosman, Donnie Gerber's brother, Koos, all the celebrities were there. These oaks, I get the celebrities on a rugby guys, I get them on a stage and they just talk with the oaks the whole time. And they ask them questions, where did you have your first kiss behind it? Was it the bicycle shed or was it the woodwork department, that type of thing. I'm telling you, that was so entertaining. Then they get oaks from the crowd to ask questions, that type of thing. Henny, how's the weather up there? That I got more. But anyway, then I also got promo girls. Let me tell you, Egg Chasers just got promo girls. I think they're all Bulgarian. The one says to me, ach Jesus, oom, fok aan. I think that's Bulgarian for her. He's sexy. Come back to my tent. But anyway, she seemed quite upset. But I think I think it's just she's an actress. But anyway, it was lekker, man. And after the Egg Chasers, the whole bang shoot of you, what runs across the road. And you go to the rugby and then you shout to New Zealanders, you flipping swear them, let the tires down in a team bus and that type of thing. So it was moersfestig. I'm telling you now, I wasn't even out of my element. I had jean pants on and everything like that. And it was lekker fun. One day I'd like that guy to come to East London. Egg Chasers, Mr. Egg Chasers, I don't know what your name is. I did meet you. We had our own secret handshake and everything. So he's coming with me to Mazeppa Bay in December. Mr. Egg Chasers, one day come to East London. Here ook the whole world has forgotten about us. We kaksleg at the moment. Come and do a Shelbourne College versus Grey Bloom. Now, not next year, the year after next, or even next year. Come and do a Shelbourne College Grey Bloom thing like that. We sit on a couch, I'll get you camping chairs, I'll have torches, everything, and we come and do that thing. We ride some rond, and I can buy myself that spare wheel for the tire, what I need for my bicycle to lose weight, because I'm fat, boys. I can't keep going like this.